Hi, everyone. My name is Alan Pettit. You might know me as AI Alan. And I am here so excited to introduce you to our Facebook group. We are crazy excited. Of course, everyone says that we're crazy excited, but no, we really are in a new way that's going to revolutionize your life and your business is going to take off like never before. Where will your business be in 3 years if you don't begin to master AI? We're going to create a special environment on May 21st, May 22nd, and May 23rd. And this is the first go around, but it's going to be massive. We've been going for months with our speaker treasury, and everything has been coming to this point right now for May 21st, May 22nd, and May 23rd for the Stack Money with AI challenge. It's a 3-day challenge. It's going every 3 days, and it's a solid 7 hours straight for each day. Now, I want to encourage you. You're going to hear immediately, oh, I can't do that. I can't do 7 hours a day. I have to work. Listen, whoever has your ear will have your thoughts, and your thoughts will then in either impact or infect your heart, one or the other. So, are you going to listen to the naysayers that are like, why would you take time off of work to go to this summit that you don't know anything about when you should be at work providing? I'm going to go into the voice that you're going to hear. Why should you take off work when you need to work in order to provide for your family? You cannot take off work because what if you need that PTO later? What if this and what if that? And do you know anything about these people? Do they actually know what they're doing? Well, yes, we do. There are 11 speakers. Are you going to listen to that voice right there? Or are you going to listen to the voice of God that's telling you that AI can be used for godly purposes? AI can be used by having your own mind, your own organic intelligence, your own wisdom, your own experience can guide AI in a specific way. We're not talking like mindset this, mindset that, just make it till you fake it till you make it, or just kind of like those kind of things where it's like, oh, whatever, like strange mindset beliefs. No, this is very rooted in science. You're going to learn how human brains work. There's 4 different types of brains in general, and meaning there's 4 different types of personalities. There's 4 different types of customers that you have. Do you know what those 4 types are? You better come to the summit because David Andrews is going to explain that. I'm going to be bringing the AI knowledge along with Princess of AI, Tiffany Pillow herself, and her partner, Tony Wade, who are incredible. And then our headliner speaker is Michelle O'Neill. Oh my goodness, Michelle O'Neill. That's incredible, right? Michelle O'Neill herself, a multi-millionaire, 8-figure earner, is going to be talking about the trust economy and how valuable and essential it is to build trust when there's a whole lot of fake AI stuff out there. So this is stuff that you cannot miss. You can't miss it. If you miss it, you'll always wonder, why is my business not working? Why is my business not scaling? You might even lose sleep at night until you click the action button. Action takers are movement makers. Okay? If you're an action taker, I know a lot of people say action takers are money makers. That is true. But I say action takers are movement makers. A next level. Let's go. All right. Well, I appreciate your time. Go to stackmoneywithai.com. 3 days. We have a workbook waiting for you when you're in the VIP. You can be a fly on the wall. You can listen to the Diamond Room, ask questions. If you're in general admission, you'll be in our school community and you'll be interacting with each other, rubbing shoulders, finding accountability partners, implementing immediately, giving your takeaways. It's going to be crazy awesome. Okay. So it's going to be incredible. There'll be 2 things going at the same time, an experience in school and an experience in Zoom. So the nice thing is when you're in school, you'll be able to see some of the experience that the VIP and the Diamonds are doing, But when they go into the question and answer, the feed is going to drop. You won't be able to hear those questions, but you will be able to interact with each other, challenge each other, give a takeaway. There'll be a facilitator there. His name is Ernest. He's going to do a great job leading the group. It's going to be awesome. We might have one or two other facilitators there too. And so you'll still get great value out of the general admission experience. And then you have the VIPs and the diamonds. The diamonds, you all are the most biggest movement makers ever because you took the investment. You made it work. You get extra bonus diamond VIP. A VIP is going to get some prompts, but the diamond AI prompts are going to be even more polished, even more incredible. Okay. And then you get a special coaching session from a fourth day, only diamonds. We're limiting it to under 30 people for the diamond room. So that is going to be special upon special upon special. You better run and go get your space there now because you get to speak with an extra diamond speaker who's going to rock your world. We're not even going to release who that is till the last second. But those who take action now are going to be rewarded. And there's the speed networking going on. Oh my goodness. It's worth it to upgrade to VIP, not only to get the replays. There's no replays for general admission, but in the VIP and the diamond, you get the replays, but you also get speed networking. This is something we've done on several of our speaker treasuries, and it is a huge hit. You can immediately download a document that has tons of business owners on it, emails, phone numbers, websites. You get to be an immediate rub shoulders with people. Have you ever heard that expression, your net worth is equal to your network? Well, we're going to not only give you a VIP experience, but we're going to expand your network. It'd be worth it just for buying that amazing live list. Now, listen, that list is curated, reviewed, and we only keep people on there that are great that have been through our other speaker treasuries. So every person on there is dynamite. Could be your next business partner. Could be a new strategic partnership. Only God knows how that speed networking is going to bless you and bless your business to take it to the next step. Let's go. All right. So without further ado, go to stackmoneywithai.com. Once again, stackmoneywithai.com. If you have any questions at all, we have a voice agent, an AI voice agent. Wouldn't you like to have an AI voice agent making sure that you don't miss any phone calls? Because they're literally $35,000 or more that most companies lose on average on a regular basis by missing phone calls that are after hours. Because if somebody calls your company and you're closed, guess what? They're not going to call back. They're going to go to the next company. You won't miss that call if you have an AI voice agent. Ours is named Beth. She's got like a English accent. It's super cool. Beth is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Her number's right above my head. It's 402, area code 402-869-6694. Once again, it's 402-869-6694. Put it down, give us a call, ask Beth all you want about the Stack Money with AI. If you have any questions about that, if you have any questions about the school community, any of it, she'll answer all your questions. And if she can't, she'll set up an appointment for you to speak with one of our live staff members. It is so cool what we can do in the era of AI. The era of AI is foundationally built upon the trust economy. If you don't build your foundation on the rock of trust, your business is doomed. So God bless you. We will see you at Stack Money with AI. Let's go. Yes.